Hey guys, welcome to our channel Ace Parrot. In today's video, we will be curing black spot disease on our parrot fish. So let's start. We will be needing three things: aquarium salt, anti-ick, and an aquarium heater. So this is the condition of the fish. Now she is having black spot disease on her fins and tail, and some part of her body too. So we will start draining out the water 30% from our tank. You have to do this for 3 days in a week. So now we are done draining out the water, and now I will clean the excessive food that is floating on the top. So we are now done with this also. Now we will refill the tank with new water. So now the water is refilled. So we will add aquarium salt to our tank. My tank is 3 feet, so I'll add 3 scoops of the aquarium salt. It will take some time to settle. Now we will add anti-ick. You should add according to your tank capacity. It will also take some time to settle. And I also like to add beneficial bacteria, 8 to 10 drops in my tank. Now you should turn on your heater at 26 degrees Celsius. So, if you follow these steps, your fish should be recovered within a week or two. So if you like this video, please consider giving it a like, share and subscribe, and comment down below which topic you want next.